very good evening to all our viewers. You've tuned into Market Hour and I'm Nisha Poddar.
A very good evening. I'm Ajay Sharma. Let's start the show with the big earning of this evening, which is Cognizant. Once again, the company has delivered a very strong set of numbers and perhaps would be impacting the entire IT sector when we open for trade tomorrow with a 16% growth this quarter. And to discuss the quarter's performance in detail, we have the top management of the company, Mr. R. Chandra. He is the Executive Vice Chairman of the company. He joins us on the show. Mr. Chandra, good evening and thanks a lot for joining us on the show. What does the calendar year 15 guidance entails now, and how much of organic growth are you eyeing? And also tell us about the kind of contribution you're expecting from here on from Trizetto.
Yeah, actually, we have guided to, for the full year 2015, we have guided to $12.21 billion, which is about 19% growth over 2014 numbers. And so it's a pretty healthy growth, and we expect about $700 million from Trizetto revenue. But we do expect about $1.5 billion synergistic revenue out of this acquisition over a period of 5 years. So we continue to be very, very optimistic about the 2015 outlook.
So will it be secular growth you expect in 2015, or H1 to be better than H2 as you expect 5% growth in Q1 itself?
As of now, we have sort of visibility into Q1 numbers, and that's why we have given a guidance of about $2.88 billion for Q1. And obviously, as the year progresses, normally Q2 and Q3 we see an upside growth. So we'll see how the rest of the year pans out. But overall, we feel pretty optimistic about the 2015.
So tell me, will it be fair to say that 2015 would also be strong consulting, weak outsourcing year for you?
It will be a balanced growth across all service lines. We see a once in a decade opportunity for our services. Customers around the globe are faced with this dual mandate to improve the operational efficiency. That will actually increase the spend, and that will increase the opportunity for the outsourcing services. On the other hand, of the dual mandate is the business transformation, leveraging some of these emerging technology areas, and that leads to innovation, and that will actually probably give us opportunity in the consulting and digital technology service lines. So we see good opportunity both for consulting as well as the outsourcing services for us going into 2015.
Mr. Chandrasekharan, explain to us what kind of impact on margins are you expecting in envisaging as you integrate Trizetto going forward?
We said the Trizetto acquisition is not going to be dilutive of our margins, so we'll continue to maintain that 19 to 20% level as we have done in the past.
And lastly, just to give us some sense on client budgets for 2015 in your own estimate. Give us some color on especially consulting and tech services demand which you foresee ahead.
Overall, we see the client budgets to be flattish with a slight upward bias. We even heard from Gartner in January that they expect the client spend on IT is likely to go up by about 2.5%. And we do expect clients to spend, on some of these emerging technology areas to really help them with their transformation of their business processes, leveraging some of these digital technologies. But, they will also, increase, spending on outsourcing to really bring down their total cost of ownership of the current applications. Thereby, they can release dollars to or be innovative in their own business space and differentiate themselves in their own markets. So we expect clients to spend on both outsourcing as well as the new technology services.
All right, Mr. Chandrasekharan, thanks so much for joining us to give us more color and understanding on Cognizant's results and also the way forward. Remember, it's a strong set of numbers for the company coming in for the IT major and also a strong set of guidance for the next year, that is for calendar year 2015, which is at 19% revenue growth. That's something to watch out for, and the IT companies will be taking a cue from this one come tomorrow morning trading session. Now to the big development this evening has been that